Hey all, so here's a quick look at my Bosch fridge freezer. As you can see, it's American style. Fridge on top, 60/40 split, fridge to freezer. And it's been well used. It's been great. Have a listen. I find it very quiet. It's the quietest I've ever had. Okay, let's see if I can open it. Okay, it doesn't normally do that. And inside you've got the compartments. I've got a wall here, so I'm struggling to get any further back. But you've got some nice, easy to remove shelving. Just the glass shelves. And excuse this, but this is actually all real, all authentic in use. And let's say at the back, you've got an option, for your fish and meat, if you want to have it in an extra cold setting. This one has got the no frost multi-airflow, just like with any fridge freezer. As long as the stuff isn't touching the back, then it's fine. Probably hear the alarm go off in a moment. I think it's 2 minutes on the alarm. You can also see the shelving. You've got the adjustable, you've got in between heights as well. I've got it pretty much evenly spaced on the 3 tiers, but you get the 3 that come with it. Now, fish and meat down here, obviously I've got fruit in there, but you've got your standard fruit drawer compartment, made of safety glass, it says at the back. Up here, you might get this beeping when you first turn the machine on. That's because it's just below the temperature it needs to be. Don't worry. What you can see here, you can toggle through the temperatures. Okay, super is basically if you've just got home from the supermarket and you've got frozen food that's melted, it goes into and it doesn't actually say in the manual the exact temperature, but I can assume 64232, does it go to, 6432 probably goes to 0. I shouldn't put it on that, for 15 hours, and then it goes back to whatever it was on before. I want it on eco because, well, I'm actually moving house and this is just the last bit before I move, really. And the same goes for, you can figure out by the temperatures, this is the freezer setting. So again, you can toggle through super, whatever, and set it to whatever Celsius you want. Again, is eco minus 16? I suppose so. Again, the manual doesn't say eco or super, so a bit silly, but whatever. It's fine. The VitaFresh vegetable and fruit drawer down the bottom is nice and large. Again, I'm moving house, so some of this hasn't been used for a while, so apologies if it's a bit dirty, but you've got the ridged bottom. That does come out very easily for cleaning. I do find it a bit annoying to put in and out sometimes. I'm probably trying to do this with one hand. Actually, it's fine. And I really don't know what that is for. If you do know, please do tell me why there's a slider there. I'm not really sure. Is it airing? Okay, and then, it seems pretty marginal to me, but the slider here is a vent. You can see there. So you slide it. So it says, it's very hard to read. Best for fruit is open. Vegetables and fruit is closed. It's such a small vent. I'm amazed that would make much of a difference, but clearly design, they know more than I. The LED light is here. Now, I haven't had to change it, fortunately. Looks like it could be a bit annoying because there isn't any way of getting that off, but it is LED, right? So it should last a very long time. You can see the 3 compartments in the door. You could move these up. You've got this one notch in the middle here. I did have to replace this compartment here because it broke. Now, I think I overweighted it maybe with lots of liquids, but it cracked on the one side. Whether that's a user error or fault their side, I don't know, but the replacement cost me about £20 in the UK, so maybe $25 US. But it's easy enough to get. I went for the original off the Bosch website as well. But you can see these are pretty sturdy. Again, only plastic, right? It's pretty standard, but still decent. And if you do want to do it, I don't know if I can get up there. Yeah, you can change the side that the door is on. I haven't done it personally, but you can see down here, you can then switch that, take these covers off, and then you can do that if you need to. I've not gone down that route, but literally I think you, again, take this cover off and it's a screw job, and you could see you've got the holes on the other side, and yeah, that's okay. Let's have a look. As you saw, I did get a bit of suction earlier. Obviously most fridge freezers do that, but I don't know what triggers it sometimes. If I open the freezer, okay, so you've got your labeling, 2 to 6 months for your fish, meats, cakes and leftovers, and then 4 to 8 months cheeses, chickens, lambs and beef, and then 6 to 12 months vegetables, fruits, beef and venison. Interesting. Didn't know about venison kept longer than others, but yeah, it gives you a guide if you're not sure, pictorial or a visual guide. I can't even remember what's in here. Okay. Maybe I'll go down here. And these are pretty loaded. As you can see, they're quite deep. You know, there's a good, what is that? 8 to 10 inches of depth on those. So we do fill them a lot. And this has obviously been very handy with the moving house. You can hear the alarm going there. And as with the top, the door on the bottom does change as well, obviously, for ease of use. But yeah, this Bosch fridge freezer, I have very much enjoyed it. It's a great one. I'll put a link to one down below if you want to get a similar one. It's as close as I can to this model. Just ask away if you have any questions. And well, check out my videos for more on this and other appliances around the home. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. And I could do follow-up videos if you have any questions. Cheers. Bye.